how to know who views your Instagram profile. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically see who has viewed your Instagram profile. Simply open up the App Store and then after that search for the application called Social View. So over here just give it a few seconds while it loads up, and then after that once it loads up just simply search for Social View. From over here, click on the search bar and type in Social View. Now once you guys type in Social View, after that it's gonna look something like this. Open up the first application called Analyzer Plus, and over here you guys can basically see all the people who are gonna be basically ghosting your profile, searching for your profile, not following back, unfollowing you guys are going to be able to see all of that information. So if you guys want to see all of that information, simply download this application, log in, and then after that you guys are going to be given access to all of that information. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually be able to see who has viewed your Instagram profile or not, and this application is going to give you so much options along with that. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.